In this demo, I want to show you how to access the class server for CS143. This contains Postgres and will contain other software that we will use throughout the quarter. If you're on a Mac or Linux, you have access to an application called a terminal. On Mac, I'm going to come down here and click on the Finder icon. Then I'm going to click on Applications. Then I'm going to find a directory called Utilities. And then I'm going to double click on this application here called Terminal. And this is going to open up a terminal where you can type in the commands that I am going to show you in this demo. Your terminal is going to look different than mine. I use an application called iTerm2, but it functions exactly the same way. Now your screen may also look very different than mine due to color schemes and different versions of Mac OS and whatnot. Linux is going to be very similar, and if you're familiar with Linux, this won't be a challenge for you. On Windows, there's a variety of different ways to get a command prompt, but if you're unable to figure out how to do it and our TA is unable to help you, I suggest downloading PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y, in order to connect to the server. So we're going to log into the server using SSH, and I'm going to use user jbruin, which is just a test account. You're going to use your username, which you received in your email. The name of the server is cs143.org. And I get a password prompt. This is your UID without the dashes. The cursor does not move as I'm typing. That's a security feature. I'm then told that I have to change my password. This is for security reasons. Your new password must conform to a series of criteria that will be shown to you if you do not enter a strong enough password. So first I enter my current password, and then I'm asked to create a new password. And then I retype the new password. And you should see password updated successfully. And then you're automatically kicked out of the server. So then you just log in again using your new password. And that's it. Then I just type PSQL to enter the Postgres shell. And now I'm in database CS143, and all of your homework tables as well as lecture tables will be in this database. You can now use the demo from lecture 5 to play around with Postgres within PSQL. Then to exit, you just type \Q or Control-D. Once you're done with the shell, just type in exit, and that will log you out. Remember though that when you see this prompt, CS143, you are in Postgres. When you see this prompt out here, you are in the shell, so you're not in Postgres. You're one level higher, you're on the server, but not within Postgres itself. And there you have it.